Building a new PC? Then choosing the right case matters more than ever. A great PC case isn't just about looks. It's about airflow, space, cable management, and how easy it is to build and upgrade your system. Whether you're going for a clean showcase build, a high airflow gaming rig, or something bold that stands out on your desk, there are some truly excellent options this year. In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best PC cases you should buy for your next build, covering different styles, budgets, and build needs, so you can pick the one that fits your setup perfectly. The Havna HS420 easily earns its place as a top-tier PC case, thanks to its premium build, stunning presentation, and excellent airflow potential. Its panoramic glass front and side panels give it a true showcase look, perfect for high-end gaming or creator builds. Access is refreshingly simple, too. The glass slides off smoothly, making upgrades painless. This case supports up to 11 fans arranged in a smart chimney-style airflow layout that pulls cool air from the bottom and sides while exhausting heat from the top and rear. While it doesn't include fans, the flexibility to choose your own setup is a plus for enthusiasts. The vGPU version adds a vertical GPU mount, riser cable, and angled fan bracket, giving your graphics card maximum visual impact. Cable management is outstanding, with deep channels and thoughtful routing that make even messy builders look organized. It's heavy at nearly 18 kilograms, but that weight comes from thick glass and high-quality steel. Overall, the HS420 feels rock solid, premium, and built to impress. The Lian 011 Vision Compact hits a sweet spot between price, style, and flexibility. While not exactly cheap, it delivers a premium experience that justifies its mid-range status. Its glass-heavy design isn't for everyone, but once fully built, it looks clean, modern, and extremely polished. One of its biggest strengths is customization. You can swap the top glass panel to a mesh one to improve airflow, and much of the case is held together with screws instead of rivets. Great news for modders. The brushed aluminum panels feel far more premium than what you'd find on budget cases. There are no included fans, so you'll need to factor that into the cost. Cable routing can feel a bit awkward, and the rear panel looks plain with a full ATX motherboard installed. Still, for versatility, build quality, and aesthetics at this price point, the 011 Vision Compact is tough to beat. The NZXT H9 Flow RGB Plus is a no-compromise, high-end PC case designed for builders who want everything done right. It offers a spacious interior, excellent airflow, and one of the cleanest fish tank-style designs on the market. Unlike many showcase cases, the NZXT H9 Flow RGB Plus actually includes premium 140mm RGB fans with triple fan layouts at both the top and bottom. This setup does a great job of keeping powerful GPUs cool while also looking fantastic. The larger chassis makes installation easy, even with high-end components. NZXT packs in modern features like back-connect motherboard support, removable panels, excellent cable routing channels, and a magnetic door that can still be secured with screws. It all feels thoughtfully designed. There are minor complaints, like the lack of a removable top radiator bracket, and yes, it's expensive. But if you want a case that combines airflow, looks, and build quality at the highest level, the NZXT H9 Flow RGB Plus delivers across the board. The Hyte Y70 is a bold, personality-driven PC case made for builders who want their system to stand out, especially if pink is your color of choice. Its massive interior and glass-heavy design make it a true showpiece, particularly when paired with the optional 14.9-inch Touch Infinite display. This case uses a vertical-only GPU layout with a PCIe 4.0 riser cable. Even with modern PCIe 5.0 graphics cards, performance isn't an issue, and there's plenty of room for massive quad-slot GPUs. That said, installing heavy cards can feel slightly nerve-wracking until everything is fully secured. Despite its size, building inside the Y70 can be tricky. Once a large power supply is installed, cable management space becomes tight, especially for high-end GPUs with multiple power cables. Storage options are also limited. The power button's tactile feel may not impress everyone, but visually, the Y70 excels. It's unapologetically flashy and perfect for statement builds. The Phanteks Evolv X2 is all about visual impact. Its sleek, glass-forward design feels straight out of a sci-fi movie, making it one of the most striking PC cases available right now. When built cleanly, it looks absolutely stunning on display. This aesthetic focus does come with trade-offs. Airflow depends entirely on the fans you install, as none are included, and cable management requires patience and precision. The chimney-style airflow works well once dialed in, but it's not a beginner-friendly build. To truly unlock its potential, a vertical GPU mount is highly recommended, especially Phanteks' angled bracket, which allows a dramatic tilt. It's an extra cost, but the visual payoff is huge. Space inside the case is somewhat uneven, roomy in a main chamber, tight behind the motherboard tray. Still, the Evolv X2 isn't about convenience, it's about style. If you value looks above all else, this case absolutely delivers. And that wraps up our 5 best PC cases you should buy for your next build. Each of these cases shines in its own way, whether it's design, airflow, or build quality. If you found this helpful, drop a like, share your favorite case in the comments, and subscribe for more PC hardware guides. Thanks for watching, and happy building!